learn about the adverb. Do you know what is adverb? Don't you know? So don't worry. Today's our lesson is about adverb. Before starting our today's lesson, we will talk about our previous lesson. It was about conjunction. And conjunction is a word that joins two words. So let's start our today's lesson. Today's lesson is about adverb. So viewers, a word that adds some meaning to verb. I repeat it. A word that adds some meaning to verb is called adverb. It adds the meaning of verb. The act which you do, it adds the meaning of that verb. Here are two examples. The horse ran fast. I write neatly. So fast is adding the meaning of runs. Run is a verb. I write neatly. Neatly is an adverb. It is adding the meaning of verb. So viewers, this was adverb, and now we will talk about the kinds of adverb. There are three kinds of adverb. Adverb of manners, adverb of place, adverb of time. Adverb of manner, as the word is showing that how a work is going to be acted. How a work is going to be acted. It shows the manners. Just like wisely, happily, quickly. And the second kind is adverb of place. As the word is showing its actual that which the work is going to be done. It shows the place. For example, here, there, near, outside, far, etc. And the third and last one kind of adverb is adverb of time. As the word is showing its actual meaning that it shows the time when a work is going to be acted. So its examples are today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, then, early. So viewers, in the last, I would like to repeat all the lesson. Adverb is a word that adds meaning to verb is called adverb. Adverb has three kinds. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. So this was today's lesson. Inshallah, we will talk about interjection in our next lesson. Before ending my lesson, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Allah Hafiz.